Hey y'all, my name is Micah. I am a 31-year-old trans man. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about what transitioning has meant for me and how hair loss has impacted some of that journey for me. So I went on testosterone when I was 25. That's when I started medically transitioning. And I knew like my grandpa, he was almost completely bald by the time he was 25. So I knew there was a good chance I'd see pretty rapid hair loss. So within the first 2 years of going on T, I'd started noticing a huge amount of thinning out on the top of my head, also some thinning on the sides. I was exploring a lot of different options, including a hair transplant. And so through this journey of exploration, a lot of what I wanted is just to restore some of that self-confidence that I had lost. Hair, I think for myself and a lot of other queer people, is a huge amount, like it gives you so much room to express yourself. So in terms of like looking into a hair system, what I had done honestly for a few years was look aggressively into getting a hair transplant. And then finally I saw a local dermatologist who was like, oh yeah, you're not a candidate because of the pattern of hair loss, because my sides and the back of my hair are thinning too. It's not a viable donor site. So I took to Reddit. I started asking around. I found a Reddit thread that was just like our hair systems. And for me, that was like really enlightening. There were so many people on there talking about their journey with hair loss and like how it's impacted them, guys ranging from 18 all the way into their late 60s and 70s. And so it's something that a lot of people don't talk about, right? I think people feel embarrassed. You have like the idea of what a toupee looks like from like the 90s. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it one try and just see what I think about it, like get feedback from people that are close to me. And I haven't looked back. I love it. I feel like I look so much more my age. I feel so much more confident with myself. How I approach people is with a completely different attitude. So if you're anyone experiencing hair loss, I highly recommend that you look into getting a hair system.